this city is famous for its university and the cathedral. This cathedral, the new cathedral, was built in the 16th century, completed in the 18th century. So 这个教堂新的大的才300多岁呢，那个旧的是12世纪，差不多700多800岁的教堂，那个旧的教堂。所以有新教堂，有旧教堂。Sad to say, the churches have a small entrance fee to enter the church, but all churches in Spain, they close their doors. You cannot buy ticket anymore to enter after 5 o'clock. 5点钟 Because this university is pretty old too 也是很老的一个大学校。这个我们叫西班牙的牛津城市。你知道世界最老的、最出名的大学校是牛津，在英国。Since the 1100s， 这个大学这里也是有差不多700到800岁的 ，almost 800 years old. So the University of Salamanca is a famous university if you can study here. Population of this city is only 150,000 people. Okay, we are be stopping you near the Roman Bridge. You're going to see this Roman Bridge later. After that, you're going to walk to the Roman Bridge to take a good photograph of the twin cathedral city of Salamanca, the same view you are looking now. Where further down, we pass the Roman Bridge, 2000年的桥，罗马桥，罗马建筑，罗马民主的时候的。The river, after you're going to see, is the Tome, which go into the Atlantic. From the Roman Bridge afterwards, you get a beautiful view of the twin cathedral city. That's where you get a good photo stop. You have to walk to the middle of the bridge to take this photograph of the twin cathedral city. Now in the city, I will also bring you'll see a lot of souvenir shops selling the Qinghua frogs as a good luck charm. I'll tell you the story later. Why all the Swedish so many good luck charm of frogs on Qinghua? That's the next bridge is the Roman Bridge, 2000年的 so it's still a good standing bridge. 2000年我跟你们讲是没有反掉的2000年。So 准备跟我下车，走几分钟去到桥的前面。
知道我们现在在哪里吗？知道我们现在在哪里吗？萨拉曼卡。这条桥2000年的历史啊！2000年的历史，破破烂烂的了。这么值钱的桥。
哇，2000年了，你知道吗？2000年的值钱的桥啊！
很早睡呗。
这么早睡。
新加坡时间10:45啊。这个400-500年了。我说看那个 stone 啊，很旧的 stone。哦，rebuild 的。
Roman times, you saw the aqueduct I did not explain to you all. You don't see cement one. The stones are not cemented. Because the Roman times, when they make their buildings or arches, iron hooks. They are like staple. They staple two stones together. That's why you see the arches still standing. Right? But here you see cement.
学生住这里，学生住这里的，因为这边附近有大学。
It's an archive. An archive 好像一个博物馆。Here they have the documents of the Civil War. You see some picture of the Civil War in the streets of this could be a street of Salamanca.
Very nice, very nice. 来，我们也来，我们也来，看看，我们多彩味啊！看妈妈，selfie。
It's been restored. This door is been restored. After your photo, over in front, here the guitar is there. This church is a Lake Volcano.
要进去要还钱的。
Okay, now we turn again. I've done this in Barcelona. Because this church has a 现在算起来，very restaurant, but 装修的时候加进去的啦。This gargoyle eating ice cream. These are the funny thing here. Everything 80年才啊。 7:15分，在这里，在左边高楼上，7:15 ，you must finish your dinner by 10. From there, it's very easy to walk back there. A lot of restaurants.
快樂 treasure hunt 係咯，看誰找。
Como decíamos ayer, un aplauso para el primer derecho de internacional. De aquí levanta nada menos que la corte de Felipe III.
现在有 protest 啊，不是表演的 protest， 他们不知道 protest 什么东西。
Podido hacer aquí en la Plaza Mayor de Salamanca.
Para ellos eso es normal porque... jamones embutidos.
No se entendía la vida de los carneros. Los carros